This video tutorial will provide you with help to get rid of the online scam related to the site Noregist.xyz. Noregist.xyz is a dangerous site indeed. Right now it targets Google Chrome and it may affect other browsers. Basically, it tries to make you download and install some potentially unwanted applications. If you ever see these pop-ups by Noregist.xyz, don't trust these pop-ups. They are absolutely fake and deceptive, so just leave this deceptive page. Also, I would recommend you to carefully research your computer with Combo Cleaner. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. So, download the application, install the software, and then once it is successfully installed, start researching your system. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and then eliminate all other threats which might still remain on your device. So after you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner, the software will be initially in the trial mode, and only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. The full mode includes full system scan and custom scan, but as I said, in the trial version only quick scan option is available. So you need to click on the start scan button, and most likely the application will first of all update its anti-malware database. And by the way, this is a very essential step, so do not skip it. Do not cancel the update procedure, and then the scanning will begin. It may take some time, of course. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats that were revealed by Combo Cleaner during the scan. Some threats may be related to the browser-related issues. Some other threats may be associated with more serious threats such as ransomware, adware, or other type of viruses on the web. Of course, you can remove certain threats manually, but I recommend you to consider upgrading to premium license. This is the best way to keep all your files protected and to keep your entire computer free of any other possibly hidden threats.